So one thing I've been noticing here with my two Hubsans is poor battery performance. You know, I always fully charge them, use them fairly shortly afterwards, and you know, I've had these things for a few months now, and I don't fly them that often, maybe 3-4 times a week. Anyway, basically, I've tried fully discharging and recharging the batteries, etc. But one thing I did notice, and it came to mind, you know, I've been doing these things with the batteries and there's been no improvement. This one here, I had the battery actually shorted for many hours to make sure it was flatter than flat. It still only lasted about a minute in the air before it started doing what we're looking at. One thing I did notice with these propeller guards is they do actually slowly lift off the actual motors. So what I actually do is basically this. What I'll just show you. You have to. It's just round by the prop, just push down on each motor at the sides of the propellers there, like so. And what I found was that the underside of the actual propellers were actually being interfered with by the actual prop guard, which obviously causes resistance, increases the load on the motors, and therefore even if one motor has a resistance on it, the other motors will also have to work a lot harder to keep the balance, if you like. You know, because if this motor here is going slow, it's going to tilt that way, and it's basically using up a lot more current from the battery than what it needs. But anyway, thanks for watching. Let's see what happens.